Welcome, in front of me is a MEDION X5004, and today I will show you how to put the device into safe mode. So to get started, hold power key, and once you see the power off option, hold that, and it will pop up with reboot to safe mode, so confirm it by tapping on OK, and wait for the device to boot back up. And there we go. So you can see there is a message safe mode in the bottom left corner. So the device is now in safe mode and only the essential apps should be working. And yeah, that is basically how you access the safe mode. Now, if you want to leave this mode, all you really need to do is hold the power key and select reboot right here. And once the device is back on, it will be back in the normal mode. And we're back on the Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.